Well, it might look like a mess, but here's all the parts to put this side, passenger side, back together. So I guess we should get after it. Probably seen it a million times, but make sure the grease comes through the other side of the bearing. Give it a little turn, do it again. So I got a sandwich bag, but no sandwich in it. I got a magnet in there. It's in there to keep the grease off the magnet. Take the magnet, stick it right there, and the bottom bearing will get held in by the magnet. Bearing gets held in by gravity. Make sure your shim's on there. That one. Now, make sure you pull your bag out so your magnet's not still in there. Little cone washers, cone lock washers go back in here. If you can get them in. Make sure they're tight. There we go with that. Why didn't anybody stop me? This stuff goes on first. Before that. That's all got to come back apart. Okay, take two. Let's try this again. So the felt goes first. And the rubber one. And then the steel one. Just kind of rotate it around and she'll go on. Now, one thing I just did learn though, you don't have to take the top off if the bottom comes off. So let's see if we can get it back on. And what I basically did was, oh, my bearing stuck in there. That's good. Look at that. Put this bearing cap back on the bottom. Do it all over again. Okay. That's done. Alright, let's see if we can do this now. Get this steel one, has a little lip it sits in. Get the rest of them out of your way. I put the split to the top. Not sure if that's right or wrong, but that's what I did. Okay, and the rubber one kind of just sits up against it. And what I do, just got some long metric bolts. And there's flats on the felt. And I believe those go top and bottom because these pieces come in here. And there's a flat on it that goes on the top. So I take these bolts, run the nut down so it's a long bolt, stick it through the hole of the metal piece, the hole of the felt, and thread it in to the knuckle. And do the same thing again. Okay, so now then I tighten the nut on all these to line everything up. And when I built it, I bought these little low head stainless steel Allen bolts. Now I can pull one out and hopefully everything stays lined up. Just do that over and over again. Keeps everything lined up. Now I believe it's time to pack the axle bearings. So I've seen lots of ways of doing this, but this is the way I'm going to do it. There's chocolate pudding on taste.
Okay.
No, do not touch it. Okay, so you're going to just touch that with one finger right in the middle.
Ew! I'm touching it. It feels good, but I feel bad.
Mm-hmm. So look, I'm taking this, and if I clean all this off, so inside there is some bearings, some little rollers, right? And so I take this grease and I'm shoving it down into it.
Wait, how is it stained?
It's just greasy. It's sticky grease. So I take this and put it in there like that, and
Are you really?
it just gets pushed down inside there, and then watch out. Then I take this and whoosh, spin it around, so sometimes it'll make a hole, and I can fill that hole up. And I'm just trying to pack this grease, go down inside this. This is a cup, so we're trying to pack it down inside there, because this is what spins the wheels on the turd, make it go in 4-wheel drive.
Well, how are you gonna get it off?
I'm not. I want this in there. You want this grease in there.
No. Like when you need that for the turd.
Oh, I'll just take a glove and undo this and take and put it over there.
So
Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything with that glove on. You'll get grease everywhere. Kind of weird, huh? I'm just trying to shove as much in there as I can. This is about my 3rd handful, so I think I've got it pretty good. Yep. Look, you can see my fingers that go in there and scoop it out. I don't know if the camera can see it, but. So when you're ready to take a glove off, tell me. Don't do it yourself. Tell me what you want when you're ready to take it off, okay? Because I'm going to show you something crazy.
It's so fun to squish.
Yeah, but please don't do this for a job.
No.
You need to become a smart kid and go to college and do all kinds of fun stuff. Okay, so I think that's good enough.
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is take your greasy glove and keep it on your hand. Hold on, let's turn the camera. Oh, no, don't touch me though. Don't touch me. And what I want you to do is no, we're gonna go over here. We're working on this piece right here. Let me see if I can get a light in there for you. Okay, so what I want you to do is take your greasy hand, stick it in there, and wipe all the grease off inside like this. Get it off on the inside, not on the outside. There you go. Wipe it everywhere. Can you bend down and see that little rubber copper seal?
Yeah.
Stick your finger down there and grease that thing all up too. You getting it good?
Do you want me to do this because I have thin hands?
All right. Well, yeah, I want you to because you have tiny hands. It's a great thought.
Second?
I think so. Okay, now you back up. Now don't touch nothing. Don't touch me. Ah! I'm gonna do the same thing with my hand. Get all the grease off my hand. Where you going? You wanna show the camera your greasy hand? Ew.
I want to touch it with my other hand, but then...
No, it'll be so dirty, greasy. Now I'm gonna take another handful of it. I'm gonna put it up inside here, and
Wait, can I take a little bit?
you wanna get a little bit out of that can and do the same thing? Did you get some?
I'm going to get a little more.
Okay, shove that in there. Don't let it get on your wrist. There you go.
Why do I want this part greasy too?
Just so everything gets greasy in there. What I want you to do is we're going to take this glove and pull it on inside out.
Hey, you got it on me.
Oh, I did.
On me.
Okay, and I'm going to throw this one away.
Sorry.
I'm going to do the same thing with this one on me.
You got it on me.
Here's what's all right. It's grease. It'll be all right. Wipe it off with that. See what I mean? That's why you want to use the glove. These splines, these are called splines. They need a little bit of grease on them. So let me take them from here. Put it there. Slimy, huh?
Like sticky.
Yep. Now I think the seal surface is right here, so it's all greased up, so that's good. All right, take your paper towel. Now, take it like this thing, stick it down through here. Done.
Done.
Isn't that cool?